You guys, I'm about to show you what we're about to do with all of these items. We have a Valentine's DIY project coming up, you guys, and it includes paint, your glass ornaments, maybe some faux fur that you might want to add to the ball. So I did pick up some of that, and then we have our XOXO sign. We have some heart bead necklaces that we're going to incorporate in some of these bows. Then we have our spray paint by Krylon, and we have our spray gun just to make it a little easier. And we have red paint. We also have some Valentine hearts that we got from the Hobby Lobby store, heart stickers. And yeah, you guys, we are about to get our Valentine's Day DIY project on and popping. So tune in for the next few videos, you guys. I have a surprise for you. Happy V Day, or should I say pre Valentine's Day.